Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Chevy Tahoe LT. This one's gray. Underneath the hood is a 5.3 V8 pushing out 355 horsepower and 383 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, running boards, 20-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Tahoe badging on the side, black leather interior, sunroof, rear climate controls, rear seat entertainment, third row seating, LT badging on the side, some more badging on here, Tahoe, power liftgate, fold down third row seats, clean set of all-season floor mats, keyless entry, Bose sound system, power windows, and then we got our steering wheel controls, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, dual climate controls, heated seats, wireless charging, cup holders. This Tahoe has 49,798 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of the Chevy Tahoe, check out feldmannimports.com.